Guys, I just came back from my workout, hence why I'm sweating. But on my way back, I was scrolling through Instagram and I saw some video from this guy called Adrian Morrison basically saying, and I'm paraphrasing, Amazon is a scam, do not do Amazon, do dropshipping on Shopify. So, I disagree and I believe he's saying some bullshit. So, we are going to react to his video. I'm going to show you this video and I'm going to play it and we are going to react along the way. And I'm going to tell you why I believe that doing a business on Amazon is actually the better business model. So let's go.
Do not start an Amazon store. Don't get finessed by all of these people saying Amazon is
Don't get finessed, guys.
the best way to do e-commerce, because it's not. Number one, you have to get a boatload of product inventory that costs.
Number one, you're gonna have to spend some money on inventory, and it costs a lot of money. Like, dude, be fucking for real, bro. You start a business, you're gonna have to spend money. Even if you do something on Shopify, you're gonna have to spend some money, because what is not telling you is that, yeah, it's cool. You have a store, you have products, but you're gonna have to drive traffic to that store, and traffic costs money. And you have no idea how to drive traffic. You don't know how to do it. So you're gonna waste a lot of money before you start being successful. I'm not saying that you cannot make money with that business model, but the learning curve is way steeper. You're gonna have to learn about marketing. You're gonna have to learn about running paid ads. You're gonna have to learn on how to drive traffic to a store, to a product profitably. It's not easy. Moreover, talking about inventory, you can get inventory for cheap. Super cheap. If you want to start doing used books, you can get used books for $1 and make like triple your money, quadruple your money, quintuple. I don't even know how to say it, but you can multiply your money easily. And let's say you really suck. You buy 500 books, it's gonna cost you $500. Like, guys, you're gonna spend the same amount of money. You're gonna burn that amount of money easily before you start making any money when running paid ads. You buy 500 books, it's gonna be super hard for you to not sell at least one book a day for the next 500 days if you buy 500 books. It's gonna be super hard if you know to look for books, to not be able to sell one book a day. Super hard. You're gonna have to put in some work, you're gonna have to dig for books, go to thrift stores and stuff, but of course you're gonna have to spend money, whatever business, and do not ever listen to anybody telling you that you do not need money for a certain business model. You need money for every single business model, because if you don't put any money, it means that the barrier of entry is really low. And when the barrier of entry is really low, really low, everybody's gonna get into it, and like the competition is gonna be it's gonna be super hard for you to compete and be competitive. So you always need to spend money. It doesn't matter what business model you're doing, you need to spend money. If you want to start a YouTube channel, you need to edit your videos, you need to have a camera, you need to have a microphone, because you need good audio. Of course you can do it without it. No one is going to listen to you if your audio sucks. Same thing, you need a website, it needs to have good design, you need to drive traffic to that website, quality traffic, not just bullshit ass traffic. Let's go back to the video.
A lot of money up front. Number two, you gotta hope that you sell it. Number
you have to hope that you sell that inventory, guys. Just look at my video, how to use Keepa to validate leads, because when you sell on Amazon, you are selling products that already sell. Okay, you do not have to create a demand. You are selling the product that already sells on Amazon at the place that they are already selling. So some guy is already making money at that specific place, selling that specific product. So there's no way for you I mean, you're gonna have some loser products that are gonna tank, stuff like that, but like, it's not difficult, because your inventory, you do not have to hope for inventory to sell. It's gonna sell. If you make the right choice, it's gonna sell. If you buy the right inventory, you're gonna make mistakes, of course, like all this, like it's the same thing. With if you do some things on Shopify, you're gonna have to drive traffic. You're gonna suck at it at first, and you're gonna burn a lot of money before you start to understand how to drive paid traffic profitably.
you get feed to death with Amazon's pick and pack feed.
You get fees. So you're gonna have fees. Of course, you're gonna have fees. But like, you make your calculation in advance using tools such as the profit calculator for AMZ's card that I always talk about, and that is free. If you want to spend money, you can use RevSeller, you can use Seller Amp. Those, like, the fees doesn't matter. You do not have to pay the fees up front. The fees, you pay them when you sell, so it's deducted from the price, from your profit. So this is bullshit, guys. This is bullshit. Let's move on.
Listen, I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm actually here to tell you I'm going to build you a completely free e-commerce store on the Shopify platform with a custom theme. I'm going to upload 20 products to it that I personally have researched, and I'm even going to give you my courses for free. I'm not going to charge you a dime, and I dare you, I challenge you to see if I'm going to charge you. The only thing that you have to do is get your own Shopify account. I can't do that for you. Now, you might be asking, why is...
And you're going to have to pay for a membership for him to get paid. And every single month, when you're gonna pay your membership, you're gonna pay this guy. Nothing wrong with that. But like, this store is gonna make money because yes, some people are gonna be successful. A lot of other people are just not gonna be successful. Some people are going to forget to cancel their membership, and some people are gonna pay for 1 month. Some people are gonna pay for 2 months, and it's gonna make some money on that. So pretty much the same business. You're still making money at the end of the day, and with a bullshit ass business model. I'm sorry. Nothing against that guy. Once again, I don't know him. And if you want to try it, of course, try it with this guy so he's making some money at least. Like, if I can help you make some money, Adrian. But I disagree with you.
Doing this, what is the catch? Well, there is no catch. The truth is, Shopify is paying me to do this because I'm...
Yeah, that's what I say.
Shopify partner. So I'm going to build it for you. If you keep your store, I win. If you don't keep your store, well, I lose. And hey, you know, this is a win-win situation, so I don't think you got anything to lose. Click here, go to the next page, 15 minutes.
Okay, here's what you have to lose. You're gonna have to pay for traffic. You're gonna have to drive traffic. You're gonna have to buy a domain name that you're not gonna use in the future. You're gonna have to pay your subscription to Shopify. You have a lot of things to lose. And if, let's say, it does not work, your money is lost. If you buy inventory, even if it does not sell at first, it's gonna sell someday. You're gonna make some money back from your inventory. Right? With that, you have no assets. You have nothing. Your inventory is an asset. So even if you cannot sell, let's say worst case scenario, you cannot sell your inventory on Amazon, and it almost never happens. You can sell it on eBay. You can sell it on Facebook Marketplace. You can sell it whatever. Like, and if you want to, you can sell it on your own Shopify website. So for me, for beginners, Amazon is way easier, and even for non-beginners. I believe I scrolled to this guy's profile, and I believe, and don't quote me on this, but he said that he has made $5 million in the last 10 days of revenues with Amazon, with Shopify dropshipping stores. Don't quote me on dropshipping, but with Shopify stores. If you start on Amazon, 10 years is $500,000 of revenue a year. After two to 3 years, if you do things correctly and you invest a little bit of capital, you can make those numbers easily on Amazon without driving paid traffic. Don't have to do that. Like, to be honest, I believe that in 5 to 6 years, anyone doing things right and that keeps improving can scale an Amazon business to 1 million a year easily, and can surpass that in 5 to 6 years. So 5 million in 10 years, of course it's a lot of money, but $500,000 a year running Shopify, you can easily, not easily, it's simple, but it's not that easy, but you need to keep working, keep improving your business, and this is numbers that you can reach easily. 1 million a year, you're gonna have to spend 2,000 something per day for inventory doing online arbitrage. You're gonna reach 1 million a year on sales. You can do, and the thing is that Amazon actually gives you capital. You're gonna get loans. I have videos on that, by the way, if you want to check them. You can reach those numbers with Amazon super easily. It's way easier to reach those numbers with Amazon than with Shopify. The only thing is you need to invest your capital. You need to keep growing your stores, keep buying inventory, and be consistent with it. And I truly believe that almost anyone can be successful on Amazon. I don't believe it's the same for Shopify. And I believe the learning curve is way steeper. Learning how to run paid ads is difficult. On the other hand, running to find products that are already selling on Amazon, finding where to buy them, and then selling the same product on the same exact place that they are already selling at, it's super easy. It's way easier to learn how to do that than to learn how to drive paid traffic profitably. Because it's one thing to drive traffic to a website, to products. On Amazon, the traffic is already there. Amazon customers are already there. And in my opinion, it's way easier. So no shades to Adrian Morrison. I don't know you once again. I don't think you're going to see this video. I have like 100 subscribers, but as of now. Of course, if you want to try, just we're gonna send him some. If you want to try it with him, whatever, it's gonna make some money. So no, it proves that I don't hate you, but I just disagree with you, and I believe that it's dangerous to present stuff like that because you do not talk about the paid traffic that you're gonna have to drive to your store. I haven't gone through your course, but I disagree. I just disagree, and I believe you should start with Amazon. It's way easier, and for that reason. So if you actually want to learn how to validate leads when you find a product to sell on Amazon, check out this other video, and I'll see you in the next one.